If you want to build a healthy and loving relationship with money, add these affirmations to your daily routine. And repeat them with belief and gratitude. You can speak these affirmations while holding a $1 note in your hand. Or write these lines and stick them on a note using stickers. Repeat them anytime during the day whenever you get free time. Or paste them on your study desk, so they remain visible to you all the time. Now, take a deep breath. Relax your mind. And repeat these affirmations slowly with faith and feeling. I am grateful that I am a powerful money magnet. And money comes to me easily, stays with me, and continuously grows. Money is my best friend. I love money deeply. And money loves me too. I have more than enough wealth. My bank account is always full of money. And it keeps increasing every day. Every day, I attract money and success into my life. I am wealthy. And I am becoming even wealthier with each passing day. I am grateful for the money I have. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. If this practice resonated with you, don't ignore it, like, share, and subscribe to grow potential. Those who are ready, always stay connected.